Uy, wait lang. Nalilito ka ba between breath and breathe? Okay, so I got you. And simulan natin sa breath. Again, breath, no? Which is a noun, and it means the air that we inhale and exhale. Also, it is the air filled with fragrance or odor. Yes, yung hangin mismo, yung hininga natin na may amoy. So, pwedeng mabango, pwedeng mabaho, depende sa oral health ng tao. And it is a thing, ay tatandaan natin, not an action. Example, best, take a deep breath, calm down. Ganon. O kaya, my breath smells like milk tea. Sorry. Ganon. Yung breathe naman is a verb. No? It means the act of drawing air into and expel it from the lungs. No? It is taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide through natural processes. Or simply, the inhale and the exhale. Ito yung ginagawa natin para mabuhay tayo. Gets? Example, I can't breathe when my crush is just right there. O kaya naman, the yoga teacher said, inhale, exhale, breathe properly. Okay, so quick tip, ganito lang yan. Pag breath, noun, bagay. Pag breathe, verb, action. Think of it, may extra E, di ba, sa breathe, which means effort. So, action siya. Next time, wag ka ma-shock, no? Kung may mag-correct sa'yo, just breathe and take a deep breath. Gets? Ganon.